Attorney Rosen for DHS says that the search for personal items after ICE arrests is futile when public order is the objective. But really, if we ignore the basic rights of people in arrests, it is a dangerous, slippery slope from there. In the lucky encounters with ICE, where it's just property being destroyed, Judge Patrick Schiltz in Minnesota noted that in 96 court order violations, it was this destruction of property where they enter properties without warrants, they break windows, they take doors off of hinges, and then they leave when they realize that they don't have a warrant and they don't have a person to arrest. They arrest people like they did at Target on January 8th without warrants. They realize it's a mistaken identity, and then they just leave people in the parking lot without any further contact, any further paperwork. Or the Chicago South Shore raid, where they not only destroyed property, took doors off hinges, overturned mattresses, they put children and veterans in the back of U-Hauls with zip ties for hours. They claimed that they were going after gang members. The landlord says it was a squatter situation. There were 37 arrests and 0 charges. Beyond the destruction of property is the injury to bodies. In Minneapolis, Alberto Castanedo-Mondragon had 8 broken bones, fractures around his skull, when he was admitted to the hospital. Agents claimed that he rammed himself into a brick wall to try and escape, but doctors immediately said that this was impossible and inconsistent with his injuries. So the agents were pressed, and finally one agent said he got his shit rocked. The Judge Frank in this case ruled that the arrest was unlawful under the Constitution. Agents had no warrant, no reasonable suspicion. Alberto lost his memory of his 10-year-old daughter. He told AP News of his daughter, "All those memories, for me, have been forgotten." Worst of all is we have to acknowledge the reality that once they have scattered your identity, that futile identity on the sidewalk, if you're detained, they might just lose your life. 2025, there have been 32 official deaths in ICE custody, and in 2026, so far, there have been 10 official deaths in ICE custody. Countless have been disappeared to other states or countries, never to be seen again, just as lost as their worker's permit blowing down the gutter. Hey, it's Lefty. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.